So now, let's move on to the side of the trailer. On both sides of the trailer, you'll notice there's a lot of panels, rivets, and bolts. Usually a visual inspection is good enough to see if there's any cuts, holes, or other damage on the trailer that you need to be aware of before your trip. Some trailers are equipped with side skirts, which would make the trailer more aerodynamic and fuel efficient, and depending on your local regulation, may be required. Down the trailer, you'll notice this reflective tape to make it more visible at night. And right here is a mid-turn signal so that other drivers can see when the trailer is turning. At the back of the trailer, you'll notice that there's a door holdback right here. It's important to make sure that you have the appropriate door holdback for your trailer. Lastly, you'll notice the ABS light here. If this comes on after the initial startup during your trip, there's likely an issue that requires your attention.